In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. Begin by launching your default keyboard and clicking on this icon of a briefcase at the top left corner. Now scroll all the way down and click More Settings. Following that, you need to select Input Settings, scroll down to pick one of those versions of English keyboard, and tap on this switcher next to autocorrect feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!